Another Texas university is putting a pause on drag shows. It's April 1st, 2025.
Texas Scorecard presents the day's first news for the Lone Star State. The Texas Minute, with your host, Michael Quinn Sullivan.
I'm Brandon Waltons, filling in for Michael Quinn Sullivan today. Commissioner Don Buckingham is calling for federal action to secure border islands. We'll talk about that in a moment, but first. The University of North Texas system has paused drag shows across its campuses, with the institution citing compliance with state and federal executive orders prohibiting taxpayer funding of gender ideology. UNT is now the third system to end on-campus drag shows. Texas A&M University System Regent started the trend with a resolution in late February, and the University of Texas system followed suit on March 18th. Now, 2 drag shows were scheduled to take place on the UNT campus in April. The decision cited compliance with executive orders from President Donald Trump and Governor Greg Abbott, which prohibit the use of taxpayer funds to promote gender ideology. A new poll reveals that a majority of Americans value energy independence more than fighting so-called climate change. This poll, which was conducted by the Napolitan News Service, asked voters if it was more important to make America energy independent or to fight climate change. Well, 57% of respondents said it was more important to make energy independent in America. Additionally, 68% of voters said that providing clean air and water was more important than fighting climate change. Texas Land Commissioner Don Buckingham said that the American people want energy independence that will last for generations to come. Prioritizing reliable, affordable energy over radical climate policies ensures a stronger nation. Multiple state lawmakers have proposed measures in the Texas House and Senate aimed at securing the state's electric grid, reflecting the poll's results. With a list of investigations into the controversial East Plano Islamic Center growing, Governor Greg Abbott announced yesterday that he has directed the Texas Rangers to launch a criminal investigation into Epic, as it's known, and its affiliated entities. The action comes amid escalating concerns over the legality of operations connected to the proposed 402-acre Epic City development in Collin County, an Islamic compound that would include a mosque, religious school, and housing. The Rangers' investigation will focus on potential criminal violations, with any charges to be referred to local prosecutors upon completion of the investigation. We'll be right back.
The Luke Macias Show is your access to what happens behind closed doors in Texas politics. Listen weekly to me, your host, Luke Macias, as I break down what is actually happening in conservative politics in the Lone Star State, a state that we all love and cherish. Listen weekly wherever you listen to podcasts. This show is a product of Texas Scorecard.
Texas Land Commissioner Don Buckingham has formally requested that the Trump administration assist in securing 2 islands along the Rio Grande near Roma, Texas. Both islands have become hotspots for criminal activity, including smuggling operations and weapon stashes. In a letter addressed to President Donald Trump, Commissioner Buckingham urged collaboration between the U.S. Border Patrol and the Texas Military Department to secure Beaver Island and Roma Island. These islands are 20 acres and 12 acres, respectively. The General Land Office recently confirmed that these islands are within U.S. jurisdiction, with portions owned by both the state of Texas and the federal government. Today's stories were brought to you by Will Biagini, Sydney Henry, Valerie Munoz, and myself. Michael Quinn Sullivan will be back with you tomorrow. For right now, I'm Brandon Waltons. Have a great day.